now we're going to move to the men.
Yeah.
We just finished with the ladies and the bags. Now, a lot of men like to keep their wallets in the back pocket.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when you do that, we're going to first demonstrate here. So this is what is happening.
Yeah.
The wallet is sitting right here, behind, on one side of the pelvic bone, either this side or that side. Okay. Now, there's a nerve called the sciatic nerve that runs from about the lower spine, the lumbar spine, all the way to the bottom of your foot.
Okay.
So when you put that wallet here and you sit down, then you're really compressing on that sciatic nerve. And that can cause a lot of health problems. Okay, so we're going to, perfect. So
there's actually a photo for you to see exactly what happens.
And then we can see if, even though Loretta wouldn't put her wallet there, but
yes.
All right. So I'm going to have you just sit down.
Sometimes not just wallet. I mean, you can even have a wad of cash.
A purse, something, an envelope.
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent. Good. So if you look, you realize that her hip area is again slanted because there's something on one side and the other side is bare. Okay, so over a long period of time, if you keep doing this, what is going to happen is your pelvic bone, instead of being straight and even, would also take up that posture. Okay, so that puts a lot of stress on that sciatic nerve.
Okay.
And then when that nerve is irritated, people start developing lower back pain. And then for some men, they will complain that it radiates or it goes into the thigh, the buttocks, all the way to the bottom of the foot. So at my clinic, when men come in and they're complaining, my first question is, where do you keep your wallet?
Okay.
So let's check that one first. So if it's in the back pocket, we take it out even before we start the treatment. And half of the times, that is alone will give a lot of relief once they remove that wallet.
Where should I keep my wallet then?
So some people have stopped using wallets. If it's money or if they are handkerchiefs, they keep just enough, and then it goes in the front. Now, a lot of men don't like that because they say it's uncomfortable, but in the long run, if you don't change that habit, it can cause more severe problems down the line for you.